Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower leaf. It is made with a two colors combination. And this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5 millimeters hook. And we will start our work with a slip knot. Then we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will go back to the first chain and slip stitch. This way we have formed here a magic ring. This is the center of it. We will first chain 1 and then we will go into the magic circle here and work 1 single crochet and continue with single crochets for this first round. In total we should make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on until we get 12. With our second color, we will start the next round, and we can start it in any of these chains from the previous round. I will start here and simply bring the yarn like this, make a loop here, and then we will chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we will start working across this along this chain. We will skip the first chain and start working into the second one through this left loop. So each chain has a left and a right loop, and we will be working for this part on the left side of the chain by going only in through the left loops of each chain. First we will yarn over once. We are skipping this first chain and go into the second one and make a loop, a short loop. Then we will yarn over, go into the next chain and make a loop a bit longer. Yarn over, make the third loop, a bit longer than the previous one. Yarn over and work the fourth loop, which can be equal to the previous one, and then we will decrease the length of these loops. So 5 here, a bit shorter this one, and 6. Then we will grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 loops, the first 2 loops from the hook. And then we will grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 3. So grab the yarn and pull it through 1, 2, 3. So we have now completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now here at the end, we will grab the yarn and pull it through these last 2 loops. We have completed the left part of our leaf, and then we will turn the work and we will work into the right part of the leaf, which means that we will be working into the left loops of each chain. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains that we have to work in. So this was the chain that we have skipped when we have started our work, so this one. And next we will start working into this loop. So we will be skipping 1, 2 loops and yarn over and go into the third loop. Grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, a short one, then again yarn over and go into the next one and make it a bit longer. Yarn over and go into the next one and make it a bit longer than the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, the same as the previous one, and now we are decreasing the length. 5 and 6. And now we will grab the yarn and pull it through these first 2 loops and then through pairs of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And next we will grab the yarn and pull it through these 2 loops. And we will turn our work to the front side of it. And now we will chain 2, 1, 2, and we will go and work into the middle of these chains. So we have worked on the left side of them and on the right side of them here. And next we will be slip stitching into the middle in each of these chains. So we will start here into this first space. So the spaces are pretty visible, as you can see. So we are going into each of these little holes and only slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 7. So the same amount of slip stitches as the 7 chains that we have started this leaf with. And next we will go and slip stitch into this stitch, first stitch, where we have started the 7 chains. And then we will slip stitch into the next stitch from the center from the previous round, and then we will start again with a 7 chain. So this will be our repeat for our pattern. Let's do this together one more time. So we will chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip the first chain, yarn over, and make a loop. One loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And next, pull the yarn through the first 2, 1, and then through pairs of 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here through these 2 loops. So our next loop from the left side of this leaf that we should start with is this one. So we are skipping these 2 loops. So turn the work, skip 1, 2, and go into the third loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we will slip the yarn through the first 2 one time, through the next 3 loops 2 times, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops, and then we will turn the work to the front of it, and we will be chaining 2 first, 1, 2, and then we will go into each of these spaces from the middle of these chains and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And next we will go into the stitch that we have started the 7 chains and slip stitch. And then again we will go and repeat this sequence into the next stitch. We will first slip stitch and then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this will be our repeat for this work, and we will be making 10 more leaves of these, so 10 more repeats of these, In total, we should have 12 of them. And we will meet at the end after we complete all these repeats. I have completed here my last leaf, and we have to go into the same stitch that we have started this leaf with and slip stitch first. Then we will slip stitch into the first stitch where we have started the first leaf. And we will go into the same stitch from the back of the work and bring this loop into the back of our work, like this. Go into one loop to secure first this stitch, and then chain one to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn, and our flower is complete now. We have to arrange it now a bit. So this is how our final work looks, and this is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!